People can say anything about you, but only you know the truth. It's easy for others to judge, criticize, or make assumptions based on what they see or hear, but they don't know your story, your struggles, your growth. They don't see the quiet moments when you're fighting battles within yourself or celebrating the small wins that nobody else notices. People will talk, and sometimes their words can hurt, but those words don't change who you are or what you've overcome. You hold the truth in your heart, in your actions, and in your experiences. When others speak about you, remember that their words are just their perspective, not the reality of who you are. The only truth that matters is the one you live every day. So, stay true to yourself, trust in your journey, and never let anyone's opinion make you doubt who you really are. Your worth isn't determined by what others say, but by your own understanding of yourself.